Welcome to Ajaxar Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss units and measurements in this dimensions. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Please share your valuable comments in the comment section. Okay, let us go to the today's session. Next, symbol for dimensions of fundamental quantities. Length, for length symbol L, mass M, time T, temperature K or theta, current A or I. So dimension nothing but it is the power of fundamental unit of one unit of derived physical quantity. Okay. So symbols for length L, mass M, time T, temperature K or theta, current I or A. Luminous intensity CD, that is candela. Amount of substance mole, so MOL is a symbol for amount of substance. CD, that is candela. CD is the unit of luminous intensity. Symbol is CD, candela. Okay. Next, dimensional formula. It is the expression of one unit of derived physical quantity. Dimension formula of physical quantity is P is equals to M power X, L power Y, T power Z. So within this notation to this bracket notation, where X, Y and Z are the dimensions of fundamental quantities M, L and T respectively. Mass, length, time. How do you determine the dimensions of speed? First step, speed is equals to distance by time. Second step, speed is equals to distance dimension formula m0 L power 1 T power 0 and time dimension formula m0 L0 T power 1. Step 3, speed is equals to m0 L1 T power minus 1. So first step, you should write the formula, that is speed is equals to distance by time, and then we have to write its dimensional formulas for each and every quantity, and then last step you have to calculate and you have to write speed is equals to m0 L power 1 T power minus 1. Now next example is determine the dimension of temperature gradient. First step, temperature gradient is equals to temperature by distance. Second step, temperature gradient is equals to the dimension formula for temperature is m0 L0 T0 K power 1 and dimension formula of distance is m0 L1 T0 K0. Step 3. So step 3 is finally temperature gradient is equals to m0 L to the power of minus 1 T power 0 K power 1. So this is the dimension of temperature gradient. Next, dimensional equations. When a physical quantity is equated with the dimension formula of same physical quantity, then it is called dimensional equation. It is the principle of homogeneity of dimensional formula. Example, consider V is equals to U plus AT. This is the first equation of motion. Dimensional equation is m0 L power 1 T power minus 1 is equals to m0 L1 T power minus 1 plus m0 L1 T power minus 2 into m0 L0 T power 1. Now physical quantities on the basis of dimensions. First one, dimensional variable, that is has dimensional, does not have fixed value. Example, force, velocity, acceleration. So here dimensional variable has dimensions and does not have a fixed value. Example, force, velocity, acceleration. Next, second one, Dimensionless variable. It has no dimensions and does not have fixed value. Example, refractive index, plane angle. These two are the pure ratios, so that they don't have dimensions and they does not have a fixed value. Four categories of physical quantities. Dimensional constant has dimension and has a fixed value. Example, gravitational constant, gas constant, Planck's constant. Next one, dimensionless constant has no dimension, has a fixed value. Example, constant numbers like 1, 2, etc. These are dimensionless constant. Now I'll discuss MCQs. A unitless quantity is always a number, may be physical constant without dimensions, has no dimensions, all the above are correct. A unitless quantity has all the above are correct. Okay, option D is correct. Next, which of the following is not dimensionless quantity? Angle, strain, specific gravity, density. In these four options, which is not dimensionless quantity? Density, nothing but here density is not dimensionless quantity. If the dimension formula for the physical quantity is m1 L square T power minus 2, then the physical quantity is torque, impulse, force, force per unit area. So this is the dimension formula of physical quantity m1 L square T power minus 2. So this is the dimension of formula of torque. Torque nothing but tau, that is force into perpendicular distance. Here this torque tau is equals to force into perpendicular distance. So the force nothing but ma, nothing but L, perpendicular distance ma, force dimension formula m, acceleration, force is equals to mass into acceleration, m into mass dimension formula m, acceleration L T power minus 2. So dimension formula for force is m L T power minus 2. Perpendicular distance L. So this total dimensional formula is m1 L square T power minus 2. This is the dimension formula for torque. So torque dimensional formula is m1 L square T power minus 2. So first option is correct. Okay. Next, physical quantities having same dimensional formula. So what are the physical quantities having the same dimension formula? Let us discuss. Physical quantities having same dimensional formula: distance, displacement, radius, light year, wavelength, radius of gyration. Speed, velocity, velocity of light L T power minus 1. For this distance, displacement, radius, light year, wavelength, radius of gyration L. Speed, velocity, velocity of light L T power minus 1. Similarly, acceleration, acceleration due to gravity, intensity of gravitational field, centripetal acceleration L T power minus 2. Impulse, change in momentum ml T power minus 1. Force, weight, tension, thrust ml T power minus 2. Work, energy, moment of force or torque, moment of couple, that is ml square T power minus 2. Force constant, surface tension, spring constant, energy per unit area, for these m T power minus 2. Angular momentum, angular impulse, Planck's constant ml power minus 2 T power minus 1. Angular velocity, frequency, velocity gradient, decay constant, rate of disintegration, T power minus 1. Stress, pressure, modulus of elasticity, m L to the power of minus 1, T power minus 2. Angular momentum and Planck's constant have same dimension formula, that is ml square T power minus 1. Electric field and potential gradient have same dimension formula, that is ml T power minus 3 A power minus 1. Surface tension, surface energy, force gradient and spring constant have same dimension formula, that is ml0 T power minus 2. Acceleration and gravitational field intensity have same dimension formula, that is m0 Lt power minus 2. Force, weight and energy gradient have same dimension, that is mLt power minus 2. Light year, wavelength and radius of curvature have same dimension formula, that is mLt m0 L t0, simply L. Now I'll discuss MCQs. Which physical quantity is similar to dielectric constant according to dimensional analysis? Stress, strain, electric capacity, electric permittivity. So in this, which physical quantity is similar to dielectric constant according to dimensional analysis, that is strain. Okay. Next, the product of energy and moment of inertia has the dimensions same as square of the linear momentum, the square of the angular momentum, angular impulse, Planck's constant. The product of energy and moment of inertia has the dimensions same as the square of the angular momentum. Next, we will discuss principle of homogeneity. Principle of homogeneity. Let us discuss. It states only quantities of same dimensions which can be added, subtracted and equated. X is equals to y plus z. Dimensionally, x is equals to y is equals to z. Uses of dimensional analysis method. To check the correctness of the given equation, this is based on the principle of homogeneity. To convert one system of unit into another system, to derive the equations showing the relation between different physical quantities. Now discuss limitations of dimensional analysis method. Dimensionless quantities cannot be determined by this method. Constant of proportionality cannot be determined by this method. They can be found either by experiment or by theory. This method is not applicable to derive trigonometric, logarithmic and exponential functions. In this case of physical quantities which depend upon more than 3 physical quantities, this method will be difficult to obtain physical equation. So the proportionality constants cannot be obtained from this method. If either side of the equation contains addition or subtraction of physical quantities, we cannot use this method to obtain physical equation. Now discuss applications of dimensional analysis. To convert a physical quantity from one system of units to another, the magnitude of physical quantity remains the same whatever may be the system of units. So N1 U1 is equals to N2 U2. So dimension formula of equation QB MA LB TC. Then N1 of M1A L1B T1C, that is equals to N2 into M1 M2A L2B T2C. So N1 is equals to N2 of M1 by M2A L1 by L2B T1 by T2C. So convert 1 joule into erg. Let us discuss. Q is equals to energy, that is M1 L square T power minus 2. Here A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equals to minus 2. A, B, C are the powers of this MLT. SI and CGS units. M1 is equals to 1 kilogram, that is equals to 1000 grams. L1 1 meter 100 centimeter. N1 1 joule. So here in CG system, M2 1 gram, L2 1 centimeter, T2 1 second. N2 is equals to, now we have to find out converting 1 joule into how many X. So N2 is equals to N1 of 1000 by 1, 100 by 1 and 1 by 1 whole to the power of minus, this 1 by 1 whole to the power of minus 2. That is equals to 1 into 10 cube into 10 to the power of 4, that is 10 to the power of 7. So 1 joule is equals to 10 to the power of 7 X. So check the correctness of a given physical equation. S is equal to ut plus half at square. Dimensions of different terms are S is equal to L, ut is equal to L t power minus 1 into t, that is L, tt gets cancels here. So half at square is equal to L t power minus 2 into t square, that is L, t power minus 2 t square get cancels and the remaining is L. So as all the terms on both sides of equation have the same dimensions, the equation is dimensionally correct. So S is equals to ut plus half at square is the correct equation. For dimension S L, ut plus half at square is also dimensions is L. So dimension of this equation is L. Next, to derive a relationship between different physical quantities, the period of oscillation of the simple pendulum depends on mass of the bob, length of the pendulum and acceleration due to gravity g at a place. So derive the expression for its time period using method of dimensions. T is proportional to MA, LB, GC. T is equals to, if you remove the proportionality, you put a constant. So K, M power A, L power B, G power C. Consider this as equation number 1. So K is dimensionless constant. Substituting the dimensions of various quantities in equation 1. M0, L0, T1 is equals to MA, LB, LT power minus 2 into power of C. So M power 0, L power 0, T power 1 is equals to M power A, L power B plus C and T power minus 2C. So this L T to the power of minus 2 power C, this can be written as L power B plus C, T power minus 2C. Equating the exponents of M, L and T on both sides, we get A is equal to 0, B plus C is equal to 0, minus 2C is equal to 1. So A is equal to 0, B is equal to half, C is equal to minus 1 by 2. T is equal to K, M0, L power 1 by 2, G power minus 1 by 2 is equal to K into square root of L by G. So from experiment K is equal to 2 pi. So therefore T is equal to 2 pi root L by G. Now discuss MCQs. Dimensional analysis method can be used to check the correctness of the given equation, to convert one system of unit into another system, to derive the equations, all the above. So dimensional analysis method can be used for all this above, to check the correctness of the given equation, to convert one system of unit into other, to derive the equations. So the three we are using to finding the dimensional analysis method. So dimensional analysis method can be used the three options, okay, to check the correctness of the given equation, to convert one system of unit into another system, to derive the equation. So all the above is the correct answer. Next one, the quantities which are added or subtracted or equated in a physical equation should have the same dimensions. This is known as principle of homogeneity, law of gravitation, law of conservation of momentum, law of linear momentum. So this is principle of homogeneity. The equations which are added or subtracted or equated in a physical equation should have the same dimensions. This is known as principle of homogeneity. Okay. Thanks for watching this video.